Hi, your HVAC estimate is approaching. Our comfort advisors will do their best to find the most fitting and proper solution for your home. In order to do so, we need to take a look at several places throughout your house to make sure the new system and existing system are the right way to go. We will look at several places like your outdoor space where the condenser would be installed, your existing system installation, your electric panel, your crawl space, your attic, thermostat, and possibly some other locations. Please make sure we have access to all those places. The first place we have to check is your existing system inside the house. So we'll take a look at your furnace or the heat pump. It could be in the closet, it could be in the attic, so we'll take a look at this. We'll make sure the new system needs to fit, so we'll do several measurements in here. The width, the height, we'll take a look at your existing filter box. We will also go ahead and do the measurements of your existing air intake that is called out return. If you have an attic, we need to check your attic and to see if there is a ductwork or existing system in the attic, to check the condition, to make sure the opening is good enough for the new system and all the work to be done. We also will take some photos of the system so we can do the analysis of that. We also need to take a look at your thermostat to make sure it's compatible with the new system. Next up, we need to check your electric panel. We need to make sure that the new equipment that we will install will comply with all the requirements, that your electric panel is not overloaded, doesn't have any safety hazard issues. So we'll take a look at your panel. We'll take some photos of the panel as we need to do the load calculation. Sometimes the electric panel is overloaded or extremely old and as a safety hazard for the new installations. In that case, we would offer you a replacement option to replace and install the new panel. We do have to check also your existing condenser to make sure the setback is correct from your edge to the property line of your neighbor, as each city has their own restrictions of how many inches available between your neighbor property and the edge of the condenser. Next up, we need to check your crawl space to make sure if there is an existing ductwork, our employees and workers can fit to do the installation. Also, we need to inspect what's going on down there. Yeah, that was very heavy. So we'll take a look and take some photos and see what's going on there. Thank you for your inquiry, and we wish you a pleasant estimate.